Wait 2 minutes. Okay. Now today we'll discuss about cluster creation in AWS. Elastic Kubernetes cluster. Okay. Elastic Kubernetes cluster. This is Elastic Kubernetes cluster. Okay. Now, now this is now I following. I am creating a Elastic Kubernetes cluster using Amazon CLI. Okay. First, we need to create. We can download this private subnets.yaml. See, this is we can download this. See, okay, this I pasted. It's automatically downloaded. See, it's automatic. I have already used there. Okay. Same thing. I will follow my steps. Okay. Go to download YML file using below URL. Using below URL. Okay. After that, go to cloud formation. Okay. Go to here. This is Elastic Kubernetes. This is cloud formation. Okay. This is the nodes. This is the cloud formation. This is the cluster. Okay. Okay. This is the nodes. Okay. I am creating one cloud formation. No resource. Choosing existing template. Okay. Choose Amazon URL or we can use upload template file. Choose upload template file. I will show you. Choose. This is the we can upload this YAML file. JSON. See, this is your ML file. Please, if you want to do clear explanation, please watch my regular videos. AWS. This is continuation. Next, you can use own name. cloud formation underscore cluster. This is the private subnets. This is the subnet range. VPC. VPC means virtual private cloud. You will source. See subnet one private subnet 1 2 private subnet 1 2 availability regions in the availability regions. Okay, only let us. Okay, I will use cluster. Okay, this is optional. Click next. This is key points, key stack key names. This is the subnet range is virtual private block. I will show you what is VPC. I will show you clear explanation. After creation of this, we can go to okay. Cloud formation in progress. Okay, and I will deploy YAML file into the Kubernetes clusters. First, we need to create cloud formation. I will write one more time here. First, Elastic Kubernetes cluster creation. First one, step one, create the cloud formation in the AWS console. Okay. Step two, download YAML file using below URL. Okay. Download. Using below URL. Okay. This is the URL. Step 3, create IAM user and assign the rules of a particular IAM. IAM user. Same thing I have written here one by one explain. See, this is entity. See, it is created. Now I am going to IAM rule. IAM. Here one user is created and add permissions. Add permissions. Attach policies. EKS or use 1 minute. Entity type AWS service. See, username EKS cluster. Okay. See, permissions. But I have already user is there. So create role here. Type EKS. Already is there EKS cluster. Okay. Or you can create roles. See, create role entity AWS service and use case. You can type EKS EKS and we have type EKS cluster. Okay. Go to the IAM and roles. This is the clusters. Okay. Next, this is use EKS cluster new. This is the version 6 statement. Okay. AWS manager node permission policies. Create the role. Okay, I created the role. So EKS cluster new is created. After this, same steps. Create EKS cluster using created VPC and IAM role. And this is, I will show you. Step 4, create EKS cluster using created VPC and IAM role. Already VPC is created, IAM role is created. Cluster endpoint access. Create Red Hat EC2 instance. Name it as, this is the name, EC2 instance already created. Step 5, download. This is step 6. Download kubectl using below URL. This is, I will download kubectl mkdir EKS chmod -r 775 EKS cd EKS. Okay, I will download here and the kernel spelling is wrong. I will take C and I am downloading kubectl C chmod -r 775 kubectl. After this, we can install and we can use this command. I am already in the root. Okay, user local bin the kubectl. I will move to the this folder. Okay, see in this. Okay, everything is right. kubectl. So after this we have checked kubectl version client. kubectl version client. This is the client version. This is the client version. Okay, I have already installed the kubectl cluster using another cluster name. That way it shows like this. I will use another cluster name. Okay, this is showing as this. Download AWS CLI command using below. Step 7. Step 7. Download AWS CLI using below command or URL. Okay, you can use this is the URL AWS CLI. I will downloading this cd EKS. Okay, I am downloading here. I am downloading here. I already downloaded. Okay, now I am using ls space hyphen lrth chmod hyphen r 775 AWS CLI. Now I am unzip the command. Now I unzip AWS CLI. We are unzip the we are unzip AWS CLI. We are unzip the unzip completed. Now we are going to AWS. Now I am installing. Now I am installing /install. You can use install here. Now everything is complete, right? Now everything is complete. Step number 7. Now I am using step 8. Okay, now step 9. Now I am going to perform a AWS config command. Configure AWS configure same. In this access key, secret key, and region need to be mentioned. I will show you here. Don't worry. Yes. Okay. Already I have AWS access key ID. Where we have get these access key ID, go to account, go to security credentials, create here access key, create access key. I have already access key is there, so no need to create it. I already downloaded. In the download session, my access key and secret key is available. See, access key and secret key is available. So no need to. I am downloading. Okay, I already downloaded. So default US East 1 zone. Yes, okay. Now This completed. I will show you the output here after entering this. Okay, this is output. Now we can perform creation of the cluster. See, after all the thing completed, just is no AWS list clusters. I will select list of clusters. We have already one cluster is there. In the cluster demo cluster is there. Now we can perform another creation of clusters. We have, see, this is steps 10. Verify any clusters are there in my dashboard, in my AWS dashboard. This is, we have demo, cluster demo is there. This is the cluster name, cluster name. You can create the cluster here. Cluster and aeroplane and master and slave nodes are available. Okay, we can see the first how to create the cluster in AWS, in WebSphere, in WebLogic. Everywhere cluster is same, but in AWS CLI is most important concept. So I am performing these operations in real time scenarios. See, I create all resource I could view through my CLI pods. Okay, CLI pods. This is the command. I am downloading EKS CTL. Okay, please keep remember. I am downloading EKS CTL. After this, already sudo is there. From temp to EKS CTL. Okay, already is there. So we can rename and we can check the EKS CTL version. Say 1.8.3. Step number 11. Download and move to the local, sorry, USR local bin. Download EKS CTL and move to the appropriate location. This is okay. See, this is like this. Okay, download and install. After this, we can search. Everything is completed. Now, now we can perform. This is the creation of the clusters. This is step number 12. Creation of the EKS cluster. Yes, below command. We need to perform. This is create cluster. Hyphen name is already demo is there. See, already demo is there. Already demo cluster is there. We cannot give demo. We give test cluster. I will give cluster is small test cluster. I will give test cluster. All are small case sensitive. on the US East one. Now this is my US East one. No type T3 dot micro. Okay, this is the cluster creation as per command line. This is deploying. I am deploying EKS clusters. So fail. Why fail means already control plane is ready. Cloud formation console. You can verify cloud formation. Based on the cloud formation, it will be occurs. See, not properly created. So you can delete. So I will delete old ones. Wait, delete in progress. Okay, only one is there. Wait 2 minutes. Any cloud formation issue, it will trigger. Use this also. Okay. Next. EKS. Okay, this is the subnets. Cloud formation. Creation in progress. Otherwise, I will create an instance, delete instance, and create instance. That is good. If not coming, I will do this. Yeah, creation is completed. Now I can run same command. Control plane, create manager node group. See test cluster creating. Okay, cluster is creating. No issues reported. See, creating the clusters. Okay, Cluster is creating. By default, we have nodes are there. That is the mistake. We have creating the clusters. See, see, manager name, cluster control plane, test cluster name. It will be creating the clusters. If the demo cluster is there, we can delete, no issues. Okay, delete node groups deleted, then it will delete. Okay, no issues from that. I will delete later. My concentration is creating the cluster in AWS Kubernetes. Okay, this is my target, and I will do how to add the cluster members in the kubectl configurations. Okay, how I will add and apply changes. You can see in the real-time scenarios. So I will tell you. So IHS through WebSphere application server using plugins. Okay, plugins here creating clusters on same cluster configurations. We have mapped the kubectl CMG. Okay, I will show you in the real-time scenarios. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will show you in the real-time scenarios. Elastic Kubernetes cluster. First, we have deleted nodes. Okay, add on. We can deleted nodes. Then only we can delete the clusters. Okay. So API remove clusters. We can delete all the this. Then only we can delete. Otherwise, we cannot delete. Okay, this is the cluster VPCs. Still creating. Okay, this is the steps. These are the steps we are following this in real-time scenarios. Okay, this is the version and all the things. After this, completed this. After this completed, is it will get ready. It will source. Okay, after this, update kuberconfig file to remote machine using below command. This is step number 13. I will show you right here. Same kubes configuration. See, kubectl configuration. We have mapped the cluster member cluster configuration. We have mapped the kubectl configuration. Same thing I will deliver here. AWS EKS update kubeconfig -name. This is the cluster name. Here cluster name. This is not my cluster. This is my cluster name is. I will show you my cluster name. Test cluster is the my cluster name. This is my cluster name. This is the region. This is the region. Okay. This is the region. In this After updating, cluster status is creating. Okay, after that, AWS, everything is complete. Okay, added this. After this, cluster data configured. After entering this, I will show you here. I will show you real-time scenario example in a cluster. This is the cluster. We can search here. We can get all information. What is the region and the token, cluster name, everything is name. Command is AWS Amazon Web Services. After this, we can get kubectl, get nodes and pods. Okay, here pods, okay, pods, get nodes means it will show ready. Kubectl means Kubernetes cluster, Kubernetes. Okay, Kubernetes terminal like interface. Kubernetes get pod all namespace running or configuration. It will show it like this. Say this is after this complete. After this complete, I will show you configuration part. In this, I will show you in this cluster consists of cluster members, etc. It will be in Kubernetes consists of pods and nodes available. Okay, kubectl get nodes, kubectl get pods space hyphen namespace. You can use this command uh, by using cloud formation. We will create the cluster. First step is we can create the cloud formation. In the cloud formation consists of in the cloud formation consists of subnetwork and VPCs in the available region. My region is US East 1. In the availability region means US East 1A, US East 1B. This is after this US East 1C, US East 1D. Okay, this is one part. This is one part. East 1E, US East 1F. This is VPCs in the format of range. Okay, you can create like this. This is available regions. One is down, another zone request is passing. Both are same. 1A and 1B, both content will be same, like scalability, elasticity, high availability. comma failover controls. Okay, suppose, suppose, suppose I am staying in Canada. Okay, some other peoples peoples are living New Zealand, South Africa, okay, England. You can live in country, okay, living these countries. So you can access the application in different regions, different countries. How it possible? How it is means each country have some availability zones or regions you can access application. Means there is, I will show you a real picture how it is there. Then we can understand this. Okay, waiting. Now this is my this is my company AWS. Okay, this is New Zealand. This is South Africa. This is Canada. This is Australia. Okay, please keep remember. If you not understand, please ping me the chart. This is I am saying small example. Our application is deployed here. Okay, this is Canada. One of my friend is accessing the application in the Canada region. In Canada region, one of my friend is accessing application in Canada region. This is my company. This is AWS is my company. Okay, AWS is my company. I am accessing application. Some of AWS in the AWS, my application is IT middleware is my application. IT middleware technologies dot some application, some PHP or some JSP. Okay, some of the application dot ASPX dot ASPX. ASPX means .NET related applications. Okay, this is my application. Okay, this is my application. How accessing this means here one copy is there. One copy is there near to availability region. So we can access application through here like this each and every. request and response. Okay, this is request response. Okay, 1 minute. I will zoom. Okay, now visible, right? Okay, this is South Africa. My application cloning application copy is saved in the availability region. Okay, same thing here also. Same thing here also. Here cloning it automatically once you can uploaded the file, uploaded the application or deployed the application, it will automatically one copy is saved into the automatically one clone is saved into the availability region. Suppose one availability regions. Okay, that is one of the interview question. The one of the certification question also. Cloud formation. There is one question is there. Like this you can use. This is USA. Okay, this is user. In this availability region, you can go automatically cloning and no application is down, no application is slowness, no burden. Okay, no burden. This is availability regions or availability zones. We can clone the application, we can copy the application in different zones or different regions through subnets range. This is private subnet, this is the private. Okay, VPC virtual private cloud virtual private cloud. Okay, private cloud means only there is no access from the public only private cloud you can access. Like this is EKS cluster. You can deploy the application in EKS cluster and the configuration by using EKS kubectl. Okay, see, my cluster is ready, everything is ready. See, this is first I get error, so I deleted old name is there already, old name. I deleted old name and recreated my cluster by using this. Okay, okay, this is the output. This is the my output. Cluster is created ready. Now I am updating this EKS. I am adding, just adding. Okay, added this. I am just added the configuration to the just no, just I am adding cluster configuration to the cube config file. This is the config file. Auto this cluster information I need to add this cluster information to this file. Okay, I will explain in detail. I will explain. I will explain. Okay, I will explain. Cube config file need to be added the cluster members. So suppose we have IHS is there, IHS or Apache servers, or we use IHS server, IBM, HTTP server. How we can access? How we can integrate with WebSphere? Like here also same. Like here also same. Like here also same. Okay. Please keep remember this. Kubectl kube config is kube config file. We can add all cluster members. What is the cluster member? Test cluster consists of pods and nodes. Kubectl get pods space namespace. Kubectl get nodes. Can use these commands. I will show you. Don't worry. See, this is completed. See, after this is the okay. This is same thing. Root cube and this is the config file. cd. I will show you. pwd. I am root cube. This is the config file. Okay. This is cube config file. Please keep remember this. I am config file. See, in the config file, each and everything is there. I will open Vim for your understanding purpose. Shift G, JSON and test cluster name, EKS and region, availability regions. See, this is the region. Which region? US-East 1, and this is the token, and this is the cluster member, and test cluster. And we have used JSON or YAML. We can use this is the version. This is the AR1. This is the version test cluster. This is the account name. This is the my account name. I will show you my account name. See, this is my account name. Okay, this is my account name. This is region. This is the things happen. Okay, see, user IAM role. I created IAM role and a cluster. This same thing. Current context root. This is the context root from application. Like this is the certificate. Self-service certificate is created. This is the cluster certificate. See, this is east. Okay, like this. This is cluster demo certificate. This is my another cluster member, another cluster certificate. Please keep remember this. If you not understand, please raise hand. So I will use kubectl get nodes. Kubectl get nodes. My nodes are ready. No issues reported. No issues reported. Okay. Kubectl get nodes. All namespaces. Okay. No. My get nodes are completed. Everything is ready. No, my get what all namespaces. See, all are running. Each and everything is running. Perfect. No issues reported. Step number 14. We can get quad and nodes status using below commands. This is my status. After this, I am getting the deployment file. Okay, deploy.yml. So I have create one file vim. This is the one file. I am creating one file here. Vim. I am creating one file. Okay, in the file, I have one small thing is that I am writing one small code for my sample purpose. Okay, this is port number 80. This is container port number 80. Or we can use 8080 also, we can use no issues reported. By default, I am using 80 port number. See, I am deploy kubectl apply, or we can get I will search kubectl. Okay, no namespace is there. Now we can apply kubectl. I am deploying the application. Now I am deploying kubectl application. Sorry, I will not save. Okay, yes, deployment is done. My deployment is done. Step 15, deploy the YAML file in my cluster, that is EKS cluster. Step 16. So we can get a deployment. Now we can get a deployment. This is done. Availability 2, update 3, ready 2 by 3. So this is the base to deploy the applications in YAML and create the application and deploy the applications. See, it will running, it will slowly taking, no issues reporting. This is way to deploy the application in Elastic Kubernetes cluster. Okay, this is real-time scenarios. This is the thing in happen in the real-time scenarios. I will refresh. You are already created. See, active. Okay, this is the thing. Real-time scenarios. We can create the cluster and deploy the application by using kubectl and apply. We can use pods and all the commands are there. You can use nginx deploy.xml by using this. See, kubectl apply -y means a file. I will explain each and everything. This one of the asked. So -f means file. -f means file. This is the application name. This is application or file. kubectl is one of the most popular popular tool in Kubernetes. Apply. Apply means we can changes, or apply means add or modify or delete. You can use anything you can use. Okay, this is thing happen in real time scenarios. This is the 19 steps. How many steps? 16. 16 steps. Keep remember this. This okay. Thank you watching this. This is this is the Kubernetes cluster. It will take time. Okay, no issues. It will take 20 to 30 minutes. It will take. It will running compulsory. Okay, that is so. You can anything. Please reach out to me. Even in trainings, we will deliver WebSphere and WebLogic, AWS. You can deliver the trainings in the real time scenarios. Okay, we were certified in IBM WebSphere and AWS Professional Solution Architect. We certified. I will show you my certificate. So this is my badge. This is my badge, AWS Solution Architect. I certified. Okay, I am certified in IBM WebSphere. See, I am certified in IBM WebSphere. Okay, so we can deliver trainings as per industry standards. Okay, any trainings, please reach out to me. We will deliver quality of training and each and everything understandable. Okay, we can stop my screen sharing. Okay, if any issues, please reach out to me in the comments and everything. Okay, I will in the video comment section. I will reach out to you. I will stop streaming.